How can you keep yourself and your family and your pets safe this 4th of July? It's easy. Make sure your home is ready for the festivities and we can help you with that. Here at Fuse Service, we truly care about our customers, not just during the holidays, but every day of the year. That's why we've prepared a simple 15-point home safety checklist of the most important things to inspect before you dive into the barbecues, fireworks, and celebrating with your loved ones. First, let's talk about your air conditioner. The last thing anyone wants is force the AC to quit during a July heatwave. Number 1. Inspect and, if needed, replace your air filter. Number 2. Make sure the outdoor condenser like this is undercovered and free of the grass, leaves, and other debris that could block airflow, which comes from here. Number 3. Check that the condensate drain line is draining properly. It's actually like this one. Number 4. Turn on your AC on the day before the holiday and make sure it can maintain your perfect temperature during the hottest part of the day. Number 5. If your system is louder than usual, cooling poorly, producing unusual odors, or your energy bills have suddenly increased, don't wait until the holiday weekend. Schedule an inspection before guests arrive. If you're not familiar with HVAC systems and don't want to spend your holiday worrying about technical details, the best advice is simple. A quick preventive inspection from a trusted professional can save you from an uncomfortable holiday. Now, let's check your electrical system. Holidays often mean extra cooking, outdoor lighting, speakers, fans, and phone chargers, so your electrical system works harder than usual. Number 1. Check outlets like that. Don't overload them. Replace any that are warm, discolored, loose, or damaged. Number 2. Inspect outdoor extension cords, decorative lights, and any holiday decorations for damaged insulation or exposed wires. Number 3. Test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Hopefully, you won't need them, but it's always worth making sure they are working. Number 4. Avoid overloading power strips. High power appliances like slow cookers, air fryers, electric grills, or microwaves should be plugged directly into the wall outlet whenever possible. Number 5. Know where your electrical panel is and make sure you can access it easily in case you need to reset the breaker. Last but not least, make sure your plumbing system is ready for the holiday. Number 1. Check your kitchen sink and garbage disposal. They probably be working overtime after the barbecue. Number 2. Never pour grease or cooking oil down the drain. Let it cool, then dispose it to the trash. Number 3. Check your toilets, faucets, and showers. More guests mean more flushing, more water usage, and more plumbing stress. Number 4. Make sure your water heater is ready to handle extra showers and dishwashing so you won't be left without hot water. Number 5. Know where your home's main water shut-off valve is. If emergency happens, every second counts. That's it. 15 simple checks that can help you avoid unexpected problems and enjoy the holiday with the people who matter most. If you notice anything that doesn't seem right, don't wait until the holiday weekend. Taking care of a small issue now can save you from a much bigger problem one later. From all of us at Fuse Service, we wish you and your family a safe, happy, and memorable Independence Day. Happy 4th of July.